All right, this article is coming from Investor Place. This is why is AMC Entertainment stock up today. This article is 4 days old, so it came out on Monday. We had the opening weekend for Spider-Man Across the Spiderverse, which is the second movie. The first one was Into the Spiderverse. It's applicable for two reasons. This weekend will be the second weekend since it's opened, and my wife and daughter are going, and I think this article convinced me that I should be going too, as I wanted to go see Transformers. But nevertheless, let's get into the article. So Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse got a positive reception this weekend as it pulled in $120 million. Put that in perspective, the first movie, Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse, only pulled about a third of that during opening weekend. And I enjoyed the first one. I did see the first one. To go along with this, both critics and moviegoers are praising the film. It currently has a 95% fresh rating from critics on Rotten Tomatoes, and the audience score on the site is just above that at 96%. So this is the Rotten Tomatoes site, and scrolling down, we have just as visually dazzling and action-packed as its predecessor. Across the Spider-Verse thrills from start to cliffhanger conclusion. Audience says from incredible animation to a super story and tons of Easter eggs, whatever that means. Looking at what else other critics said about the movie. One of the greatest animated sequels. A billion different art styles collided. Film aims to one-up its predecessor in almost every way imaginable. Sequel's worth the price. My daughter wants to go to an evening movie theater. I'm trying to go to the matinee to cut costs. Irresistible and energetic. Proves that animation can be liberating. An extravagant blend of style and visual ideas. Wow. Extraordinary animation, muscular transformation. Seems committed to the idea that it can't be too much of a good thing. Wow. All right. I think I just got convinced. I guess I have to pull out some cash for some popcorn now, too. All right. So let's go to the charts of AMC. I think this dashed white line is here as a topside near short-term target. Price currently post-market at $4.76. You got a monthly buyer's level at $2, so you're about $2.76 away from being at the real levels. Now, see this here? Let me just, we have a short-term bottom at $4. Let's go down to the weekly chart to dissect that. When if any of these coincide with earnings. So let's just put a marker just to see when we drill down to the daily chart. All right, let's go down to the daily chart. No, earnings were, nope. So here, first one price came down, based, and then gapped up to move higher. This one had to be on some type of news. I don't know if Amazon related. Earnings. Earnings was muted. The price action was muted after earnings in November. We had a gap up to close down for the day in February. Earnings was pretty muted in May, but it was the origin of the move down. This is a valid level. Prices decline. Again, we are entering the summer months, so I think theaters do the best in the warmer weather as school lets out. So potentially we can see one of these type of moves. I honestly don't think that we're going to get to $2. I don't see it. But stranger things have happened. I guess the moral of this video was, I guess I should be going to see it. Spider-Man is bullish for AMC stock, and I would presume the Transformers are going to be bullish as well, which is why you might get a short-term bottom at $4, which should serve as support if price gets down there a third time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.